Nakaka-addict siya actually. Ay. Game.
Okay, alright.
Hey guys, Joe here, back with another video. So, I have here Joby's newest bendy tripod, the Joby Podzilla. Joby has completely redesigned their portable bendy tripods into something that I really like. The thing about Joby tripods is sometimes I find them too thick to hold, especially since I have small hands and when I'm doing a vlogging setup. But I like this newly redesigned product. The material they use for this one is a durable aluminum core, and it's covered in some sort of rubber grip. Compared to my 5K Pro, I have a more comfortable way of holding the Podzilla. So as you can see with the 5K Pro, it's kinda a thick of a grip. Whereas the Podzilla, it's pretty easy on the hands. They have 4 colors to choose from: gray, yellow, teal, and red. This version has its very own phone mount, which can easily change its orientation from landscape to portrait easily. It kind of feels like a fidget device in a way. That's why medyo addicted ako. The cool thing about this phone mount is they have 2 cold shoe mounts, so you can attach your microphone or light to your vlogging setup. In terms of how it bends and attaches itself to place it, it works the same way as its predecessors. Overall, it's a tripod that has the same functions as its predecessor, but this redesigned Joby Podzilla is a nice change in my opinion. There's a much more comfortable way of holding it, and I like the small details they put in their phone mounts, such as easy phone orientation and 2 cold shoe mounts to mount your accessories for your phone. I've been doing a dual setup in my vlogs lately, and I would bring this more often to mount my Fujifilm X87 phone or action cameras when needed. So, what do you think of this review of the Joby Podzilla, and what are the things that you like about this new product? Comment your answers down in the comment section. Did you like this video? If you did, do leave a thumbs up, share this video to your friends, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos such as this. This is Joe Serrano signing out, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya guys.